On commercial construction projects, installing plumbing, electrical, or HVAC systems often requires precise openings through concrete. That's where concrete core drilling becomes essential. Concrete core drilling is a specialized method used to create clean, circular openings in reinforced concrete. These openings allow contractors to run pipes, electrical conduits, and mechanical systems through slabs, walls, and structural concrete. Unlike traditional cutting methods, concrete core drilling removes a cylindrical section of concrete without damaging the surrounding structure. Professional core drilling services require specialized equipment, experienced operators, and proper planning. Factors like slab thickness, reinforced steel, and job site conditions all affect how the drilling process is performed safely. At Helder's Concrete Cutting Company, we work directly with contractors and electricians to provide reliable concrete core drilling on commercial job sites. Our experienced crew ensures precise drilling that keeps projects moving forward. We specialize in commercial projects and operate with professional equipment and fully insured crews, serving contractors across Florida and North Carolina. We help construction teams complete installations safely and efficiently. If your project requires concrete core drilling for plumbing or electrical systems, contact our team for a professional evaluation.